I'm a drone pilot, so part of what I do is going out into some rough, ready, wild places to capture what could be a really, really stunning photo, video, whatever the case may be. Getting out there is only one part of the battle. Typically, you've got to go out there with the drone, a controller, a bunch of batteries. Very rarely do you go out with just a drone. You also go out with a camera, probably a tripod, food, all this sort of stuff to make sure that you go out there and have a safe, enjoyable time. Getting out there is only one part of the battle though. You also want to make sure that you can go to those new places, not always choosing the easy way, and part of that is having the right gear to get you there. Best way you can get there is with the right shoes. Without word of a lie, these LOWA boots make it so much easier to get places. The amount of grip that they have, the amount of support that they have gives you the confidence to stand on that slightly precarious thing that you may not have thought about in the past. And it gives you that opportunity that opens up those new areas that you may not have tried without a good boot like this.